Greetings to all tech enthusiasts. Today, in this exciting video, we will dive into the intriguing world of the Samsung Galaxy S22. Before we begin, if you haven't already, I encourage you to subscribe and follow us to stay up to date with the latest tech news. It is time to unveil this technology marvel. As always, the anticipation is immense. But before we do that, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you won't miss our upcoming tech adventures. Let's take a moment to appreciate the design of this device with a metal and glass body. The Samsung Galaxy S22 exudes an elegant and modern look. It measures 153.9 mm in height, 71.2 mm in width, with a thickness of 7.6 mm, and it weighs 168 grams. Now, let us delve into the heart of this device. Equipped with a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, the S22 offers exceptional performance. Additionally, it boasts 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, ensuring you have more than enough space for all your apps and files. The 6.1-inch screen provides a stunning visual experience with a full HD Plus resolution of 2340 by 1018 pixels, 4025 ppi and 120 Hz refresh rate. Every detail will appear crisp and fluid. In the camera department, the S22 doesn't disappoint. The main rear camera boasts an impressive 50 megapixels, while the ultra-wide angle camera offers 12 megapixels and telephoto camera has 10 megapixels. Get ready to capture moments with stunning quality. The 370 mAh battery will keep you going throughout the day, and thanks to its 25 watts fast charging, you will be ready for action in no time. In my humble opinion, the Samsung Galaxy S22 is a device worth considering. If you are looking for a high-end smartphone with a compact size, this is definitely a contender. The sleek and modern design, combined with a powerful performance, makes the phone a versatile tool for everyday use. The camera quality is impressive, and the battery life, which can reach up to 12 hours under moderate use, is a significant advantage. And with that, we conclude your exploration of the Samsung Galaxy S22. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you liked this content, I invite you to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming reviews and analysis. As always, your comments are very important to us. If you have any question or any experience with this device that you'd like to share, please leave them down below. See you in the next video.